Good morning. I wanted to show you how to successfully do a Newsela article. I've noticed several students not doing the activities, so this is how you do that. So here is my assignment. If you're in the Explorer page, you click Your Assignments, and then you click Presidency of George W. Bush. This is the assignment I created for my test class. So I click it, and I see the assignment. I'm going to click it again, and here's the assignment. This is the reading. If the reading is too difficult, I can come here and click. This will make it even harder. If I go down to 1030, it makes it easier. 860, and then 600. So you see, every time this changed. Let's watch that again. 860, 1030, 1200. So you saw it changed each time. You can highlight by clicking and then choosing a color. So I'll choose yellow. Save. Again, when you change to different levels, it will give you different text. So the highlight disappears. If the English is too hard, I will click Spanish. And now it's in Spanish. You can change the Spanish level. If the Spanish is too hard, you can go down. Okay. You can go all the way down to 520. But if you're doing it in Spanish, I expect to see 1020. This just means you're a high school level. Now, what you need to do is make sure you click on activities. You'll see two activities. First is the writing activity. So here's the question, and then I'm gonna write something, and then I'm gonna put evidence. So evidence would be, for example, we can look here. El 11 de septiembre. So what I'll do is I will copy it and put a quotation mark and paste it. That is my evidence. I hit submit. It's done. Now I have to hit the back button to do the quiz. Then I'll just choose B for each one, just because I want to get it done. Oh, I got 2 out of 4 correct. All right. Now it's complete. Make sure you have both of these completed before you submit it. All right. I hope this helps, and you can go back and do any of the quarter 4 activities that you might have missed part of the assignment. I will change your grade. Have a good day.